Troubleshoot connectivity issues. Addressing table R1, R2, R2 on ISP, cloud, and devices PC01, PC02, PCA, and B, and devices and web server. Here, this web server and DNS servers on ISP cloud. Users are reporting that they cannot access the web server www.cisco.pka after a recent upgrade. Determine connectivity issues from PC01. On PC01, open the command prompt. PC01, open desktop command prompt. ipconfig to verify what IP address and default gateway. ipconfig. This is my IP address 172.168.1.3. Compare with addressing table PC01 172.16.1.3. So on that device, the IP address is misconfigured. Subnet mask right, default gateway, very good. And correct is necessary according the addressing table. Okay, and here modify the IP address should be 172.16. Okay, IP subnet mask default gateway DNS server 209.165.201.3 is using DNS server number 1, DNS1, 209.165.201.3. And after verifying, correcting the IP addressing issues on PC01, ping to the default gateway. Ping default gateway. Okay. From PC01 to this interface on router R1. 172.16.1.1. Were the pings successful? Ping to the default gateway? Yes. Web server? Ping 209.165.2.1.2. Okay. Successful? Yes. PCA IP address. 172.16.2.3. 172.16.2.3. No. PCB 2.4. 2.4. To PCB, no. Use the web browser to access web server on PC01. Okay, close the command prompt web browser and enter www.cisco.pka. Go. Okay, wait a moment. Success. Can PC01 access www.cisco.pka? Yes. Using the web server IP address, this IP address. Two of 9.165, 2 of 1, 2. Go. Okay, very good. Yes. Document the issues and provide solutions. The IP address on PC01 was incorrectly configured, so it was necessary to change the IP address to 172.16.1.3. PC01 can ping the default gateway on router R1 and can ping the server on internet, but cannot ping PCA and PCB. Determine connectivity issues from PC02. Okay, the same process. PC02 on desktop, access to command prompt, ipconfig, command prompt, ipconfig, enter. Compare this IP address with addressing table. This PC02 172.16.1.4, right. Subnet mask 24, right. Default gateway 111 and should be 11. Okay, modify this default gateway to 11. And DNS server 209.165.2013 is using DNS server number 1, DNS1 209.165.2013. Okay, very good. Were the ping successful? The default gateway ping 172.16.1.1. Success. Yes. Web server ping 209.165.2012. Success. Yes. Ping to PC01. What is the IP address of PC01? 1.3. 1.3. Success. Yes. To PCA, IP address of PCA 2.3. 2.3. Okay, ping fails. The answer is no. And PCB 2.4. 2.4. Ping fails. The answer is no. Navigate to www.cisco.pka. Web browser www.cisco.pka. Go. Success. Can PC02 access Cisco.pka? Yes. Server IP address. This IP address 209.165.2.12. Enter. Go. Success. Answer is yes. Go. Okay. Success. So the answer is yes. Document the issues and provide the solution. PC02 can access the web server using the IP address and name. The default gateway on PC02 was misconfigured and was modified to 172.16.1.1. PC2 cannot ping PCA and PCB, but can ping PC01 and web server. PCA, the same process. Go to PCA, command prompt, ipconfig, compare the IP address. Okay, right. Very good. Ping to web server 209.165.201.2. Ping fails. So answer is no. Ping the default gateway 172.16.2.1. Okay. Ping fails. The answer here is no. Ping to PCB. The IP address of PCB is 172.16.2.4. 172.16.2.4. Success. Ping to PC01. 1.3, PC02, 1.4. Okay, PC01, 1.3. Okay, ping fails. The answer is no. PC02, 1.4. Ping fails. No. Navigate to Cisco www.cisco.pka. Can PCA access Cisco.pka? Okay, if the ping to the default gateway fails from PCA, you will not be able to access another networks. You will not be able to access other networks like web server using the name and using the IP address. So the answer on these two questions are no. I guess the problem is on R1, but on this interface, on the default gateway, gigabit 01 on R1. Router R1 can only be accessed using SSH username admin01 and password Cisco12345. I cannot access the router R1 from PCA because the default gateway is not working. Ping fails. So from PC01 can access to the router using this gigabit 00 IP address on R1. 172.16.1.1. Gigabit 00 on R1. Telnet to that IP address. Sorry, SSH to that IP address. SSH option L. The username admin01 case sensitive. And the IP address of gigabit 00 172.16.1.1. And use the password Cisco12345. Very good. Show running config and verify gigabit 01 IP address 172.16.3.1 subnet mask 24 and gigabit 01 172.16.2.1 subnet mask 24 and should be 2.1. So verify so we change this gigabit 01. configure terminal interface gigabit 01 IP address 172.16.2.1 subnet mask 224. Okay, and exit from router and from PCI. Document the issues and provide solutions. Okay, PCI can only access the PCB. PCI cannot access PC01, PC02, and cannot access the web server on internet. The interface gigabit 01 on router R1, gigabit 01 on router R1 was incorrectly configured. Was necessary to access from PC01 to gigabit 00 IP address on R1 and using SSH modify the IP address of gigabit 01. Modify the IP address on gigabit 01 to 172.16.2.1. Okay, from PCB, the same process. Go to command prompt on PCB, ipconfig, verify the IP address, write, and ping web server, ping 209.165.201.2 success, default gateway 2.1. 172.16.2.1 success, ping to PCA, PCA 2.3, 2.4, PCA ping 172.16.2.3 success, ping to PC01 is 1.3 success, PC02 1.4 success. Navigate to www.cisco.pka. Okay. www.cisco.pka. Go. Enter. Hostname unresolved. So the answer for this is no. But use the IP address of the web server 209.165.201.2 go. Success. So it's possible access web server using IP address, but it's not possible access the web server using the name. So this is a DNS problem, a DNS issue. Okay, so go to IP configuration. The DNS server is 209.165.201.4. It's using DNS number 2, 209.165.201.4. Change to 3. Okay, change to 3. And now navigate www.cisco.pka. Go. Success. Document the issues and provide solutions. PCB can access the web server using the IP address. PCB can access PC01, PC02, PCA. using ping. Okay, the DNS server on PCB was misconfigured and was necessary to change to 209.165.2.1.3. Could all the issues be resolved on PCB and still make use of DNS2? If not, what would you need to do? No, DNS2 is not working very well, so you need to contact the administrator of that server. 100%. Thank you very much.